Tom. How are you doing? How's your engineering life?
It's keeping me busy. How are you, Dirk? I heard you were on a business trip last week.
Oh yeah, I just got back from a customer visit and they want building a new air quality sensor system. The software team is busy right now finishing up some of their system project, but the hardware team is eager to get started. They asked me lots of questions and they're looking for a recommendation what boards they can use to build their prototype.
Last week on a training on QuickConnect, and we were working on QuickConnect Studio, which can help us build this application entirely. And it comes with an amazing kit called Beginner's Kit. It comes with an MCU board. It also comes with the connectivity board, and it comes with the sensors, pretty large amount of sensors which can be connected for this application, like a temperature and a humidity sensor, the air quality sensor.
That is great. Can you show me how that works?
Yes, let's start with QuickConnect Studio. Dirk, let me show you how to reach the QuickConnect platform page. Once you are on Renesas web page, go to Design Resources, quickly connect on QuickConnect platform. You go down and then click on Launch QuickConnect Studio. And that is where you get a signing window. You can use my Renesas login credentials and log into QuickConnect Studio. And once you log in, you get the landing page of the QuickConnect Studio where you create your own project. Remember I told you about Beginner's Kit?
Yeah, you mentioned that.
And we have that kit already available on QuickConnect Studio. This is the one which we have to use, and it also says what MCU is on that kit. So it is RA6E2. You just drag and drop. Easy?
Easy. Is that a picture of the actual board?
Yes, that is the actual board what you see, and you also see the PMOD connectors where our interface boards will go.
Okay, what I would do with that?
Okay, so you remember we spoke about the connectivity. We
Yes.
can add the connectivity modules onto it.
Okay, how about air quality sensor?
Yes, of course, we are building an air quality application. So let's add the air quality sensor to it. Once you drag and drop, you see all your boards connected there. Should we add the temperature and humidity also on it?
Oh yeah, sure. Show me how that works.
Okay. So you drag and drop your temperature and humidity. Can you see you can stack these boards on it? Select the application here on the left, and we have to just tell QuickConnect to build it for us. And click this, it starts building it for you.
Wait a minute, you didn't write any code.
You need not to write any code on it. All those files are pre-generated and you get it, you just need to build it. And in case you need to do any modifications on those files, you have that tab which you click in here and you can go to those source files and you can edit those things. And
Wow.
all that is C file.
Wow, that's so simple. Even a sales guy like me can do that.
So Dirk, now since the project is already ready, we can also order this kit online on Renesas, and once you have the kit, we can debug this.
Okay, I want to see that. Hey, I just got these kits. Is that what I need?
Yes, this is what we need. This is called the QuickConnect Beginner's Kit. Let me show you what it comes with. So it comes with a quick start guide. It comes with a bunch of sensors and connectivity module with it.
Okay, which one of these modules do I need?
Oh, let me help you. So the first thing which we need is the connectivity module, which is here. Then we need the air quality sensor, and we also need a temperature and humidity sensor. And we have few others, but we only need this for this application.
Okay, great. So now if I follow your picture, all right, I just take these boards, connect my BLE Wi-Fi module, this sensor, and then the other sensor goes here. You see. Okay, and where does this? That's a USB cable?
Yes,
that looks like it only can go here.
So you connect this so that you can quickly connect it to your laptop to do further steps with the debug. So now we have the board ready. Dirk, can you help me connect it to the USB of the laptop?
Sure. All done.
Can you see the debug LEDs are up?
Oh yeah, so it gets power from the laptop.
Yes, and once it is connected, what we all need to do is just go into the debug mode.
So I can download and debug from a simple web application?
Yes, that is right. You got it completely correct. We click on this and you see it started getting loaded to the board. We just got our board loaded with the firmware we just built, Dirk. And now what we need to do is just say run. Since we are debugging, unless we do this, the debugging does start on the board.
Okay, how can I see the results?
Oh, great question. So what I have been using here is the MQTT Explorer utility, which is a client tool which will be talking to the AWS broker, and we can see all the results which the board has been accumulating till now. You can see your temperature values, you can see your humidity values, and you can also see your air quality values on this screen.
And everything is real time?
Yes, all these values are being uploaded to the AWS service in real time.
Wow, that was really simple, going from an idea to a working solution in less than a few minutes. And the best part of it, all I needed is a beginner's kit. I'm excited to demonstrate that one to my customer next week. Thank you, Ram.
Thank you.
All right, see you next time.